Good morning, students. Today class we are discuss about the cost accounting. Before we are known about the cost accounting, first of all we want to understand the costing and cost accounting. What are the difference between costing and cost accounting? First, cost. The term cost represents the total of all expenses incurred, whether paid or due in the production and sale of a product or expended in rendering a service. I mean, the term cost represents the total of all expenses. That's all. Next, costing. The techniques and process of ascertaining the cost. Costing means the techniques and process of ascertaining the cost. The technique refers to the principles and rules that are applied for ascertaining cost of products manufactured and services rendered. Next, cost accounting. The process of accounting for cost, which begins with the recording of income and expenditure on the basis of which they are calculated and ends with the preparation of periodical statement and reports for ascertaining the controlling the cost. I mean, cost accounting begins with the recording of income and expenditure, ends with the preparation of periodical statements and reports. That is the cost accounting. So, costing, cost accounting overall. Next, what are the objectives of cost accounting? Objectives mean functions of cost accounting. First objectives, ascertainment of cost. Ascertainment of cost. The basic objectives of cost accounting is to ascertain the cost of a product, job or service. Expenses relating to a product are collected from diverse sources. In addition to direct expenses relating to a product, joint expenses pertaining to several products are also taken into considerations while ascertaining the cost of a product. Next, control of cost. The second objectives of a cost accounting is to control the cost so that the maximum and better production at minimum cost may be made possible. To achieve these objectives, the techniques of budgetary control and standard costing are adopted. Next objectives, reduction in cost. Costs are not only to controlled, but constant effort are to be made for reducing them. Cost reduction implies real and permanent reduction in the unit cost of goods manufactured or service rendered, without impairing their suitability for use intended. Value analysis, time and motion study, standardization, simplification, etc. are the major techniques of cost reductions. Next, objectives of cost accounting. Determination of a selling price. Cost accounting provides a cost information on the basis of which selling price of products or services can be determined. In the event of depression or recession, cost accounting guides in deciding the extent to which the selling price may be reduced to meet the special situations. Next, objectives of a cost accounting, matching cost with the revenue. The profit of any activity can be ascertained by matching cost with the revenue of that activity. The purpose of this step is to determine profit or loss of any activity of an objective basis. Next, objectives of cost accounting, providing basis of operating policy. Cost accounting is an essential tool for management to formulate the operating policies and to take business decisions like determinations, cost to volume profit relationship, whether to buy or to make an articles, etc. That's objectives or functions of a cost accounting. Next, we are discuss about the difference between the cost accounting and management accounting. The cost accounting is the main objective is to report a current and prospective cost of product, services, department, job or process. At the same time, the management accounting information relevant for use of formulation of policies, planning, controlling, decision making, etc. to ensure maximum profit. Next, the cost accounting is the short-term planning and sophisticated tools are not employed for a forecasting purposes. In the same manner, management accounting, short-range and long-range planning and use of sophisticated techniques in the planning and forecasting process. Next points we are discuss about the tomorrow classes. Thank you.